Hi, I wanted to try to describe some of the parts for this essay that were required. Let me start off. I will demonstrate and let you know the anatomical positions and describe them. But I wanted to go over some of the essay questions first before I did that. In the anatomical position, it asked, your first question was describe the elements of the anatomical position in which three major planes. The three major planes are the sagittal, the frontal, and the transverse. In the sagittal plane, the body is divided from in half, from right to left. And also in the frontal, we describe anterior and posterior. And last is the transverse, which the body is split in half, and we go from upper to lower. Also, you wanted me to define homeostasis. Homeostasis is where the body is regulated and must maintain maintain a balance. It has to read off of the two major systems that I wanted to discuss would be the endocrine and the nervous system. During the endocrine, that deals with your hormones. That's the balance of the hormones. It's regulatory, and also it is dependent upon maintaining all of the hormones are in a line, whether that be your water balance, whether that be temperature, hot and cold. And also with the nervous system is it regulates the nerve impulses in the body that lead to the brain. So it sends all the other organs impulses about the brain, and it must be maintained at all times. When describing the plane, and I hope you can see me, I will take this piece of paper. Again, sagittal will divide us from my hands, where I'm standing upright, my feet are facing forward, and my palms of my hands are facing forward as well. We take this to divide the plane in the sagittal. It will just divide us from right to left. When we're talking about the frontal, it's taking the frontal here on the side of the body, and it divides you, and it goes from the anterior and posterior parts of the body. With the last but not least is the transverse, and the transverse describes dividing the plane. The paper is half in the middle of the body, and we go from upper to lower. Thank you. Have a good day.